What is up, YouTube? I am back. I am super excited because I've got something really, really cool to share with you today. It's all about how to make a lot more money online because a lot of people, they work really hard. They try to make sales and, you get clicks and clicks and clicks and you make one sale and make 10 bucks. Wouldn't it be nice to make $500 or $1,000 when you get all those clicks and make one sale? Well, I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of High Ticket Hotshot. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and Bye Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. The breadsticks I had yesterday, they were really bad. I had to throw them in the garbage. Really awful. I don't know. Anyway, but seriously, I know my jokes can be really stale, but they're my jokes. I still like them. So there you go. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously, this one is good. Okay, this one's gonna make people a lot of money. Now, you already got Simpsons money. You don't need it, but some of these people do need this, okay? So pay attention. Anyway, but seriously, the way these work, if I like a product, I will give it tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. Who could possibly get angry at Liz? Now, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, it really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for High Ticket Hotshot. Now, basically, this is a concept that I'm starting to experiment with. I'm starting to look into it more because this really does make a big difference. Let's say that you're buying solo ads or you have a small list or whatever it is. And so, you're getting a sale here, a sale there, maybe, or maybe you haven't even gotten a single sale yet, but you're sending out emails to a list, whatever it is, or if you don't have a list, maybe you build a list, whatever it is. Let's say you make a sale. I remember my first sale, I made $9, $10, something like that. And I was super excited. I was like, I went to my fiance at the time. Actually, we were just living together at the time. We weren't engaged yet. Now we're engaged. Anyway, and I was like, look, it's proof of concept that I can make sales online. These days, I regularly make 6 figures online. Okay, but at the time, it was a revelation for me. I was like, wow, I made money. I actually managed to make some sales. That was insane for me. I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I did this. I made some money. And, today it's like, if I don't make at least a couple $100 online every single day, I'm like, it was a bad day. But, it took me a long time to build myself up to that point, to get to the point where I'm making a few $100 a day online. And, for a lot of people, if you're going to make 10 bucks every now and then, that's really not going to help you very much because you're spending money to run it, to have a website, you're spending money on solo ad, you're buying courses like this one, things like that. It doesn't really, it feels good, obviously, to make money, but it's not really going to help you in the long term. What you really want to be doing in the long term is to be making money off of something that high ticket, where you're selling something and you're making $500, $1,000 commission when you make one sale. So even if you only have, let's say you get 100 people to click on an offer and only one person buys, okay? So you have a 1% conversion rate. That's really bad, all right? 1%. I usually get about 8 to 10% on average. All right, for what I promote, I usually get about 8 to 10%. All right, so 8 to 10%. So, you know, if I have 100 people click, then I'm getting probably about 8 to 10 sales. All right. But if you were getting 100 clicks and only one sale, and you make $9 for that one sale, that's not all that great. I mean, yeah, it's money, you know, there's nothing wrong with that, but that's not really, you know, making you a living. What if you got $500 for that one click? Okay, or $1,000? Then you're making real money. Then you're making actual money. And the way that you do this is with a high ticket offer. There's a handful of them available. Now, I have my own high ticket offer. It's not offered individually. It is only offered, actually, it's what we call a mid ticket offer because it's like $297 or $347, I think was the last time we ran it, was $347. Okay, high ticket is usually $500 to $1,000, sometimes $2,000. And I've seen offers as high as $25,000. Okay, the ones that we're going to be discussing here are typically around $1,000 to $2,000 on average. All right, and typically you get 50% commissions on it, so that means you get anywhere from $500 to $1,000 commission when you make a sale of one of these things. Now, in order to make sure that you're going to be able to compete with other people, because let's face it, just like anything else, whether it's a $10 offer or a $100 offer or a $1,000 offer or a $2,000 offer, there's going to be a lot of people promoting the same things. And so why would somebody buy it from you as opposed to somebody else? So I'm going to give you something that I have never, ever done before. And yeah, this is crazy. All right, so here's the deal. Pick up high ticket Hotshot from me, and you're going to have the right to give away this. This is my own program, Six Figure Coach. Okay, this is my high ticket offer. You can see all the various products that we have here that you can get access to. There's about 20 different courses here, plus all of my coaching courses, everything included. I'm not going to let you just get this yourself. If you don't have access to it, you'll be able to get it obviously for yourself. I'm going to let you give this away to other people. In other words, when you offer any of these high ticket programs that you're going to learn about in High Ticket Hotshot and how to promote them, when people buy it from you, you can say, my bonus when you pick this up from me is you also get access to Eric Hammer's Six Figure Coach membership. Okay, this is a membership that goes for $347. You're going to be able to give it away for free. Now, they're not going to get personal access to me with this thing. They're only going to get all the recordings, but you can see there's a ton of stuff here that they're going to be able to get access to, a complete membership site that you don't even have to manage. I manage it for you. Okay, literally, you just give them the access and they get access to it. Now, I'm going to do something that I probably will regret, but I'm going to do it anyway because I love you guys. If you're on my website, you're on my email list, I really want to help you out. So I'm going to do something that is unprecedented that I'm probably going to regret. Okay, so here's the deal. If you pick up any upgrade to High Ticket Hotshot, you get to give away 3 Zoom classes with me. That's one-on-one lessons where they get to meet with me one-on-one for half an hour, and I will go over their websites. I will go over your website, whatever it is you want. I mean, you can use all 3 for yourself, or you can give them away as an additional bonus. Okay, so you're basically saying to people, pick up one of these high ticket offers from me. And in addition to the fact that you get access to John Thornhill or to Dawud Islam or to Jono Armstrong, you also are going to be able to have a personal one-on-one session with Eric Hammer. Okay, a one-on-one Zoom session with Eric Hammer, who is also a 6-figure marketer. Okay, I am very successful, not to toot my own horn, but I am. I make a full-time living doing this. You're going to be able to give away 3 sessions. You want more? Pick up another upgrade. You get 6 sessions. 6, okay? Pick up 3 upgrades. You get 9. You get the idea. Pick up 4. Pick up 4 upgrades. You get 12. Pick up the entire funnel. You're going to get 15 sessions that you can give away with me, that you'll be able to tell customers, hey, I have this thing where you can actually have a one-on-one session with Eric Hammer. If you want to give away more than one, that's fine. You can give away 3 of them if you feel like it. If you want to say, you know what, I want my first, the first person who buys, partnership success from me, I'm giving away 3 sessions with Eric Hammer. That's perfectly fine. You can do that too if you like. Okay, however you want to break them up, you get 3 per upgrade that you pick up with from High Ticket Hotshot. Pick up 6, pick up all 5, all the upgrades, and I think it's 5 upgrades. Then you get 15 sessions that you can give away with me. All right. So you're going to be able to give away a lot of sessions with me, and of course, you're also getting to give away my entire membership site for Six Figure Coach, which is my high ticket membership offer, well, mid ticket membership offer. So you're going to get access to all of this. You're going to be able to give this entire thing away to people to go ahead and be able to get access to my high ticket offer. And again, you can also access it yourself. You'll have the thing to sign up for it. And basically, I manage it for you. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is go ahead and sign up. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area. You can see here. Basically, he's going to explain to you exactly how all this works, and he's going to show you the various high ticket offers. There's 4 of them that he's going to recommend. One of them is Dawood's own high ticket offer. He's also going to recommend Partnership to Success, which is a program that I'm personally a member of. He's also going to be offering you, suggesting to you the Ministry of Freedom from General Armstrong. And I think there's a 3rd one here. I don't remember what it is. That's Ministry of Freedom. This is, I believe, his own program, the Elite Academy, and then Super Affiliate System I'm not familiar with. So I'm not sure who runs Super Affiliate System, but I'm sure it's a good product that you can also go ahead and promote, and you'll be able to learn all about it and how to promote these things. There is a particular technique involved in promoting a high ticket offer. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip
For the giant hat, sir.
to product creator or not. Yeah, seriously. Okay, seriously. Huge tip of my hat. Very, very good idea. Because if you're going to promote anyway, if you're going to work so hard to get people to visit, why not promote something you can make real money from instead of, selling something that you're going to make one sale and make $10 from it. Sell something that's going to give you high ticket offers. Okay, that's really a good way of making serious money, especially if you don't want to put together your own product. If you put together your own product, that's one thing, because if you put together your product, you can always go ahead and use a webinar afterwards for a high ticket offer. But if you don't have your own product, then this is a great way to make real money online. Go ahead and grab this one. This one's good. You're going to love it.